Hello, my name is Arian Tigara with NIM 221011066071. In this video, I want to discuss material about exponential random graph model for little network. Introduction. Statistical model for social network have enabled research to study complex social phenomena that give rise to observe pattern of relationship among social actors and to gain a rich understanding of the interdependent nature of societies and social actors. For example, this research has provided new insight into the role that the attribute of social actors and endogenous structural process play in shaping social network across different population and social settings, and how the social network in turn influence individual and group. Much of this research has focused on social network within medium to large social group, network ranging from dozens or hundreds of members. However, modern advances in statistical models for social networks have rarely been applied to the study of small networks. Despite small network data from team, family, and personal networks being common in my field that study social phenomena. Next, literature review. In this paper and detail, exponential random graph model for little network was written to fulfill an assignment given by a lecturer in the graph theory course. To date, advanced in statistical model for social network and in particular exponential random graph family model ERGMS have, have rarely been applied to study of small network, even small network data in team, family, and personal network has become commonplace in my fields. In this paper, I visit ERGM estimation for small network and propose the use of complete enumeration whenever possible. One of the main technical and theoretical problems in ERGM estimation in general, which is exacerbated with small network, is the problem of the absence of a maximum likelihood estimation, MLA. The absence of MLA or convex hull problem occurs when the observed graph statistic lie in the region at or near the support boundary and can be impacted when the estimation release on Monte Carlo integration according. Next application, ERGM for small network. With modern computer, calculating the exact likelihood function of an ERGM for a small network becomes computationally feasible. This has an important implication. The process for estimating the parameter of an ERGM for small network can be done directly. Many innovative techniques have been developed to handle model with injectable normalizing constant. Base estimation method. Bayesian techniques such as the exchange sample, and often this technique works well. Of course, no technique are without trade-off. AMC-based estimation can be sensitive to starting value, and the quality of standard error can depend on the availability of analytic gradients. Bayesian technique like the exchange sample may be comparatively slow, which may be an issue when many networks are to be analyzed. Next, where P the net number of network used in the model and P theta xp is explicitly calculated, unlike exciting approach to ERGM estimation. We call this framework, which is a revised version of ERGM in, in the case of small network, ERGM ETO. In general, this extension can be visible applied to small graph containing at most 6 nodes if direct or 8 if under direct. Not to be confused with flow estimator. Aggregating various parameter estimates from independent model fits pooled data model have several benefits, including the ability to consider small network that otherwise would be excluded from an analysis because they are fully connected or empty graph. Next to dissection. In this paper, we revisit and extend exponential family random graph model (ERGM) for the case of small network. Given the interest in testing hypotheses about small network in the literature, but limited application of statistical model to small network data. We shed new light to ERGM for small network, which we call ERGM ethos, and appealing feature of ERGM ethos is that it allows direct use of the full likelihood with all the intel, rather than costly approximation via MCMC method. Overall, this approach provides a couple of important benefits for small network data. It increases the chance of obtaining estimate in the case that observed sufficient statistics are near the boundary of its support. The convex hull problem, as suggested by your simulation studies. Next, it has the potential to improve power and reduce type IR rate compared to MC to MLA and Robbins-Monroe stochastic approximation. Next, ERG intos can be significantly faster to estimate, order of magnitude faster, which is turn makes method like Bootstrap or the computationally intensive algorithm immediately available to be used with ERGMS, which to date has been unthinkable. Next conclusion. Exponential family random graph (ERGMS) are one of the most popular tools used by social scientists to understand social networks and test hypotheses about this network. In this family of model and observed graph Y comprised of a set of noded entities, edges, is characteristic by a set sufficient statistic defined on the graph and parameter theta in a model that also include not characteristic X. While other methods for studying small graph exist, non-parameter tests like the conditionally uniform graph test in the social network literature and rewiring algorithm in the network science literature. All in all, ERGMS have more flexibility because they can be used to test complex hypotheses in a multivariate framework. It's not in. Thank you.